Join us on this episode as we frantically pack up the house and get ready for a month in Thailand. This is the story of a family of 4 traveling the world as often as possible, sharing their adventures. Join us all on this season as we find exciting new places to explore, living this crazy life on the go. Please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button, and then also get notified when we release new videos. It really helps us out a lot. Okay, today's the day that we start packing and getting this house in shape for our trip. We leave in about 24 hours, a little bit more than 24 hours. And so we need to get the house all packed up. I've already put all the important documents in the safe along with my jewelry. I've written the notes for the people that are taking care of the cats and that are staying here about like the pool. And I've done some stuff, but I just feel like there's so much more that needs to be done. So let's check out with Joel and see where he's at and what he's up to. There's a whole lot of beeping going on in here. What in the world?
Trying to update everything before we get another new drone, so updates and moving data and erasing things, and later.
Do you want to talk about the drone?
What about it?
Well, you kind of hinted that you said we got a new drone.
No, because we crash shielded, but they already knew that.
When we were in northern Bali, we were shooting a promo video for a resort, and Joel got too close to the tree, and, well, he hit it. We've got everything kind of downstairs, and now Joel's going to go through all of the hard drives, our 2 hard drives that we take with us. They are 5 terabyte a piece, is that right? And we now always bring backup hard drives. So if you watch the video from the Philippines, we broke our hard drive. Okay, you should check this out.
Yeah.
Tell me what you think.
That's it.
Why are we making this video?
Because we broke the hard drive and everything's stuck on it, so we're gonna have to spend a small fortune of money to get professionals to take the thing apart to get the hundreds of gigs of movies off of it.
What are the movies of?
Philippines.
Can we be more specific?
Lots of stuff.
The first 2.5 weeks of our trip here.
Yep.
The company took like a month. Was it about a month?
Yeah, it was longer than that.
They took a while, but they got a lot of it back, but some of the footage was damaged. And so now what we do is we back everything up. So we put everything on one drive and we clone it onto the next. And Joel usually does that every night when we're done shooting. And then depending on our upload speed of wherever we are, we try to upload that to our NAS system. So just in case, we've got 3 copies of whatever footage that we have. So we're not taking any chances anymore of losing footage. We're gonna make sure that that is secure. So Joel's gonna delete all that, and then he's gonna go through this mountain of accessories for all of the cameras, and it's a lot. So here I am thinking that I had finished organizing all of the accessories for the cameras. And Joel...
Half-assing it.
And Joel brings me a whole nother box.
Whole nother box of stuff.
A whole nother box of stuff.
I don't even know how to set up.
So what is that you're playing with though?
It's a light.
It's a
and
light.
your camera goes on there and the lights go blinky blinky, that way you can startle more fish.
Yeah, it's for diving.
Mm-hmm.
I got that for Christmas.
I should have saved the instructions.
I'm so stoked for it though. I cannot wait to go diving with this. I cannot wait for the light that it's going to show. Isn't that cool?
What is it?
Oh my gosh.
Oh, that's what
Wow,
it's for.
those are so bright. Ugh.
Okay, that actually does hurt my eyes. Ah.
Look how bright those are. That's gonna also, we can use that for like at nighttime
Oh.
if we're exploring. But remember when we were in Gili T in Bali River?
Yeah.
And we were looking for animals at night in the water?
That's an eel.
Oh my gosh.
That is an eel. Yeah.
We can use those lights.
Yay. How cool is that?
Whew. This place is super, super clean. Okay, what are we having for dinner?
Dumplings?
Oh, that's a good idea.
There you go.
Oh, yay, I get to make
You
food.
get to make a dumpling?
I get to make dumplings.
Dumplings?
All right, they're kind of hot though. Remember, they're the spicy ones.
Oh.
River doesn't like the hot ones.
This one's hot pepper.
They're both hot pepper.
Cha cha cha. This one's already been open.
Yeah. There's anything else in there? Do we have any food in this house? We have blueberries.
Blueberries, frozen piece of steak.
We have frozen pizza. But I think we're gonna have pizza tomorrow night, right?
What?
I mean, usually we have pizza the night before.
we leave?
Yeah?
Are we gonna try that pizza when we get there?
Yeah? So that's probably a bad idea, huh? Is there anything in there?
There's a turkey. You think you can make a turkey in time?
Oh, sure. Let's just thaw that. There's hot pockets.
Caliente pocket.
There's nothing in there. There's French fries. Oh my god. We're so pathetic. We have nothing in our
Get your
house.
dumpling on.
All right. We gotta figure out what to feed River. So you ate dinner.
Yeah.
Looks like you're quitting.
That implies I started.
Well, you did do stuff, but it looks like you're done for the evening.
Yeah, I'm over it.
So you think we're gonna have enough time to get everything done tomorrow?
Maybe. I mean, you'll have just enough time to get it done, or you won't.
I know, but I have to go to the dentist tomorrow at 3. So are you gonna pack when I'm gone?
I have to work all day.
There's a whole lot of quitting this guy. I guess
Yeah.
we're done for the evening.
She's blaming me because she doesn't want to do nothing. She even said earlier, she's like, "Oh, you know, I'm not like feeling it today." That's what I heard earlier. So I'm the scapegoat. That's the one. So we're gonna watch Thai food, so that way we know what to eat.
Yay! We know what to eat. You're home early.
Yeah.
Are you officially on vacation?
No.
No.
They said not until this afternoon. So hopefully.
I thought you were recovering this morning, and you didn't have to go back in the afternoon.
Yeah, but it's still this morning. Right?
I know, it's really early. I was not expecting you home right now.
So they can call at any time.
Oh yeah. Okay.
I am still not officially on vacation.
Ugh. All right.
Man,
Oh man.
it's a bummer.
I know.
Got a Cheeto.
Better get those Cheetos. You can't bring them on the airplane.
Why?
Look at your fingers, and you'd ask me that question again.
Why?
Look at your fingers.
And? No, that's my
Let go.
Cheeto.
Let go.
That's my
Now show me your finger. Oh, that's why.
That's my Cheeto.
Look at how orange your fingers are. We have to whittle this down, yo.
Thank you.
We cannot bring 11 shirts.
That's impossible.
You're gonna have to figure it out, or I'm gonna choose for you.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go through these and figure out which ones you absolutely have to have and which ones we can live without. Okay? Okay. Good thinking. After sorting through River's clothes and Desmond's clothes, it was time to go through mine. Since I was pulling out all of my clothes anyway, I kind of figured this might be a good time to go through my closet and get rid of the stuff that I don't wear anymore. It was probably not the best use of time, but I figured kill 2 birds with 1 stone. So what's happening down here?
Nothing productive.
I see somebody cleaned our kitchen.
On me.
Hopefully you can fix that, because that's like our lifeline in this house.
Yeah.
I mean, it's like we have to have that in the house. So this is a real man's garage.
It's just a real mess. You can't throw away anything here. You never know when you're gonna need a widget or a who digger or a screw thingy or what's it?
Yeah, I mean, look at, oh my God, my car is dirty.
Yeah.
That's your
Bin of reclaimed parts.
bin of, my gosh. You've got everything in there.
Have to.
That's insane.
But I obviously don't have any wood glue.
That's really strange that you don't have wood glue. You had wood glue because you put River's dresser together 9 years ago. Look who found wood glue.
It's still semi-malleable.
Oh, good. So you're just going to put a little nail in there and then glue it?
I'm going to nail it.
You're going to nail it. And you're going to do that in your work outfit.
Yeah.
Your work uniform.
Well, you always get mad at me because I ruined my other clothes.
Well, you're wearing something that makes you money. I don't know if that's a great idea to you.
I paid for these too, so.
That's true. Your company doesn't pay for them.
I am a master craftsman.
You are.
Oh yeah. There's people that sing my praises far and wide.
Because you can glue.
Because I got skills, yo. just use a wrong tool for the right job. You gotta get the.
Nice. The kids definitely broke that, didn't they?
Oh, it's more than the kids.
No. Blame them. Blame them. Why don't you just turn it over? Wouldn't that work?
Well, I'll just get the right size.
No, that's not what I'm talking about. I mean, you could just set it on top of it. Just turn it over, and wouldn't that weight be enough?
Probably not.
No. This is why I don't do woodwork or any.
Work.
True.
There you go. Master Woods Repairman, right there. Master Wood. Right next to my fishing store. Master Woods and Master Baits.
All right, took a slight little lunch break, and now we're back at it again and going to start packing. So I've got the kids down here, and they're getting all of their snacks packed up in their bags. So let's go check on that progress. I just left them in there.
Fine.
Oh, you split them up though, so you guys can share. Okay. Cool.
I'm experimenting.
Desmond's over here.
I'm experimenting with a new life hack.
Is that working?
Really?
I-
And is it making a mess?
No, it's good. Okay.
I had a different one. All I did is like open it. So that's all.
Okay.
Oh! And there's 3 goldfish remaining.
Okay, so River, all that goes in your backpack? Yep. I'm not carrying it.
Why can't we put it in the water bag? Water bag.
The what bag?
Water bag.
What water bag? Are you talking about the magic bag?
The yellow bag.
Oh, because he has to carry. He has to put his stuff in his bag.
Fine. He has a bigger backpack.
No, you put your stuff in
I
your
have a
bag.
smaller backpack.
And then carry less stuff. Oh my god, our kitchen is destroyed.
Annihilated.
Annihilated.
You know what? This is a mom bomb.
It's a mom, but this is a
It's
family bomb.
organizing.
I can't believe you're putting your laundry away. Hold on, we need to actually document this.
Just because I gotta sleep on it later.
Joel's putting laundry away. It is March 16th at 12:08,
And I'm done.
and he's done. No, you're not. You gotta start putting stuff in space saver bags. Joel and I have a pretty good system now since we have done this so many times. I organize and put the clothes in the space saver bags while he plays on his phone. Once I get them the way I want, he shrinks them down and puts them in the duffel bags. Who is officially on vacation?
You, as of like 11 years ago. Me, apparently.
Aren't you officially on vacation?
Yeah, but it officially doesn't happen until like the plane takes off. So I don't get excited about it until like the door is closed, the plane takes off. It's gotta leave the ground.
Nico! Cat's trying to go with us.
It's a one-way trip for that cat.
Totally. So we're going to Thailand tonight.
Early.
Yay. We gotta wake up at 1.
Something like that.
Plane's at 4:40.
1:30.
Plane's at... Oh, yes. Gotcha. So, follow the adventure. What?
Wait until we film it inside.
Well, what if I wanted to film you?
I know you're filming me right now.
I see the cat.
Yeah, it's not like I'm hiding it.
Exactly.
How's that going?
Struggle is real.
Struggle is real.
Filming Dad. struggling.
Yeah. I'm gonna film Dad struggling. So, first flight?
Yeah.
It is 4 something in the morning. What do you guys?
407.
4:07. What do you guys plan to do on this first flight? That's not even an hour.
Probably eat my distance.
Probably.
You're gonna eat Pringles.
Yes, I'm starving.
Before they even fly, she's gonna eat everything.
Okay, Pringles. And what are you gonna do?
I'm just gonna watch on one device.
Good idea. Okay.
Like,
Bye. Qatar Airport is one of the most unique airports we have been in. It boasts a beautiful atrium in the middle of one of its terminals. And if you listen carefully, you can hear the birds chirping. Let's go to Thailand.
Let's go find turkey.
let's try and get a Mr. Beast bar.
Hey, girl.
They've got Tang.
Tang.
Yeah, nothing says airport duty free like Tang.
Like Tang.
Yeah, everything is.
I just find that it just
Funky
so amusing.
What?
I'm gonna go to the airport and I'm gonna get me some Tang. Obviously, people have purchased Tang at the airport before, but I just find that really amusing that somebody has gone to the airport and went, you know what I'm missing in my life? Some Tang.
That enough people have gone to the airport and said, we need to stock
Tang.
Tang.
Isn't that what we drank when we were kids because we were poor?
And not Wu-Tang.
Oh my god, it just cracks me up. All right, what's our gate? What's gate are we at? 62? We're not even close. Uh-oh. I think Joel got us lost.
That's full. Thank you, Lord.
There's a lot of people down here. It's not as pretty as it was upstairs.
No.
Captain, cabin crew are models for departure and rush.
So I have a flight life hack for you. When they give you the blankets, take the bag, open it up really gently, and then stick it here in the front pocket and use that as a garbage can as you fly. Because you know, sometimes they get busy and they can't come and grab the garbage. And this just helps keep your little area clean, and it's kind of handy, especially when you have kids, because they're always throwing something away. Give me that. She can't drink my Bloody Mary.
You gave it to me.
I did. How was your 6.5 hour flight?
I slept.
You did sleep.
I played Nintendo with Des.
Oh.
We were playing Scarlet and Violet.
It went by pretty fast, didn't it?
Oh no. No.
What do you do?
The flight did not go fast.
Pretty fast. I mean, I was pretty tired, and then I just succumbed and decided sleep was just not going to happen. So
My hair.
I watched one movie, and then I ended up working, editing videos for about an hour and a half. We still have like 45 minutes until landing, and they're like, okay, pack everything up, let's go, we're go. I'm like, we have 45 minutes. We got plenty of time to get this plane ready.
Cabin crew command final secure.
Final secure, and we're way the hell up here.
I got twisted.
This is final secure. That's how high we are still.
That's water.
You know what? We're so high, I don't even know. The window's so dirty, it's hard to tell.
Exactly.
Thailand is called the land of 1,000 smiles. And with views like this, it's easy to see why. Join us next time as we settle in for the next 8 days and explore the peace and quiet of Southeast Phuket. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button before heading over to Patreon, where you can support our efforts even further. You get exclusive content, ad-free videos, and so much more, just for showing your love. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.